Hello everyone, it's Kiyoko and I'm here to announce the casting results for Songbirds. We honestly didn't expect so many auditions, and we appreciate everyone who auditioned. After many tough decisions, we have chosen our cast as well as their understudies. Without further ado, let's get on to the results.
I don't know what to do. What do you think? Stop trying to uplift me for nothing! If only I wasn't so useless, this would be over by now!
Shut it, brat. You don't know anything about me. Come on, I know you'll do great. You gotta get out of your head.
My apologies, but I must be off. Good day. We've been waiting for nearly an hour.
Hello, Miss Soul. Don't worry. We're packing up. Now, Tempest. Maybe he's just having a bad day.
I need all 3 of you to come to school tomorrow morning, 9 o'clock sharp. Well, I have to be off. Good luck, ladies.
Don't worry. They don't like anybody, not even themselves. Oh, my baby sister is so grown up. How have you been? I want all the details.
Good evening. Where are you two off to? I'm not dating anyone.
Pleasure to meet you. I'm Kiki and this is Mimi. What don't you understand about the plan? It's simple.
This plan's too confusing, Kiki. Make it easier. Did we kill him? Do you think they'll be mad?
It's easier to ignore him. It's through great strife that you'll flourish.
I don't see why I should have to do it. It's not like it's my job or anything. I see you're still managing to be a complete screw-up, dear sister.
My dear, it would be best to advise your mother. You will not surmount to anything if you choose to date my daughter.
That's all wrong! Begin again. From the top. Curfews exist for a reason, young lady.
Janelle, it's late. Where are you going? Oh, I'm so proud of your brother. He must be so happy.
Finally, you wake up. You're already late. A gentleman should treat a lady kinder, don't you think?
Scripts will be sent out shortly to our lovely cast, and we hope to release the first episode sometime next month or early March. We hope you look forward to the series and continue to support us. Thank you!